Yeah, I'm Fredrik Sawer from BMW Flight Service, and I'm working there as a compliance and safety manager. And I'm basically in charge also with web manuals a lot, being one of the two admins in our company. Yeah, and well, safety manager, compliance manager, that basically explains it all. So I take care of that everybody does his job properly. Yeah, why we went digital was that we found out that the amount of manuals were growing and doing all these paper revisions that simply didn't make any sense anymore. Since we got staffed up from 17 at that time to 30 people, and producing 30 manuals, always printing them out and throwing them away after a couple of months or years if you have to do a revision, that simply didn't make sense anymore. So we decided to go digital then. Why did we choose the web manuals? Well, that was actually, we did obviously a little research what's on the market, and at that time, that was I think in 2014 or something like that, there was only one real competitor which was available, and that was a really huge system and also with lots of costs there. At that time, web manuals was clearly ahead, being a small company, and we liked the product more than the other competitor, basically. And after that, the implementation, we first did a quality and compliance audit with web manuals in that process of getting the contract. And after that, we received training in our place in Munich, in our office, which was just great. It was familiar atmosphere, and I think the training worked out really good to get our main players who are using web manual on the right speed right away. We're using basically the whole product. The only thing we're not using anymore is the forms part. We have a different solution. But other than that, we're using the whole system with the digital distribution. Also the compliance libraries, as they are applicable for us as soon as they were available, which they weren't at the beginning. But we were an early customer, and we were knowing it was coming. And there was actually a lot of enhancement from the former times to how it is right now. Well, the challenges were basically getting everybody, especially the editors and the reviewers, up to speed with the software, learning that it's not Words or any other Windows products, that it's just a little difference, and there are certain functions available and others not, compared to the Microsoft package that is there. Well, the biggest challenge was probably tables and diagrams, which were really on a low scale at the very beginning, but also this were brought up to speed quite good. Apart from the distribution part, which is actually that saves a lot of time and effort and money, is really the compliance libraries. As soon as they are working properly, that's really a huge accomplishment. If you have any regulation change that you see right away, where you need to work on what paragraph needs to be changed, if you got the linking right from the beginning. I mean, that's always a really big challenge. We know we had one regulation changed completely. Well, the content didn't change, but the numbering changed completely. So we had to redo 1,060 compliance links, which was a little bit of work. Let's put it that way. Our operation itself didn't change a whole lot. The regulations changed quite a bit. We had big regulations change in the camo side 2 years ago, which was a lot of work, and it would have been a lot more work without web manuals, so that was really great. And we'll do have the same this year with a Part 145 regulation that is completely changed, and we're looking forward to use the experience from the camo change to implement that on the Part 145 part, and we expect it to be a little flawless like the camo part. Well, the biggest improvement is probably that you get the information to the people right away at the same time, and you get the feedback that the people receive the information. So that's really the biggest accomplishment there.